May bago na naman daw sa may CSI Mall. Want to know kung ano to? Check this out! Not the usual ice cream, but this is Froyo. It's a frozen yogurt. Kaya if craving ka ng something refreshing, heto na yon. Ikaw mismo makakapili kung anong toppings ang gusto mo for an additional fee. From different kinds of nuts, dried and fresh fruits, cookie crumbles, even with the syrup flavors. Bahala ka mag-customize ng own combo mo. Dahil di ko pa na-try ang matcha flavor na Froyo, ito ang in-order ko. Just to set the expectation guys, since it's a frozen yogurt, meron talaga siyang asim factor. Kaya if di mo bet ang ganong taste, you can just choose vanilla ice cream as your base. Dahil sa asim ng yogurt, hindi ko masyadong lalasahan ang pagka-earthy flavor ng matcha. And if you're feeling thirsty naman, meron din silang float series. Medyo maliit nga lang yung serving, so if mahilig ka sa cold desserts like this, baka bitin sa'yo yung isang order nila. Here's a sample of their menu. Pause this part for your reference. So kung naghahanap ka ng dessert or something na pampalamig and refreshing, try their Froyo here at Tamianan. Located lang sila inside CSI Mall. See you on the next one. Yun lang. Bye!